Good morning. Today is January 15th, and our practical toolkit of skills and tips, the Ingenuity Workshop, has prepared a new message for us. Today's message is: use the 2-second rule. This technique has no single author. It is a synthesis of ancient philosophy, modern psychology, and neurobiology. Today, the 2-second rule is a powerful tool for emotional intelligence and effective communication. Why does it work? The pause has a clear physiological explanation. When we hear a difficult or provocative question, the amygdala reacts first, the emotional center of the brain we mentioned earlier in the eureka effect, while exploring the neurobiology of gratitude. It instantly triggers the fight or flight response. A short pause allows the signal to reach the prefrontal cortex, the area responsible for logic, conscious decisions, and rational thinking. Why is this important? Conflict prevention. We avoid impulsive responses we may later regret. Clarity. We filter out the unnecessary and express the essence. Stress reduction. A deep breath during the pause calms the nervous system. How to start practicing today. Awareness of the trigger. Notice the moment you want to answer immediately, especially if the question feels uncomfortable. A physical action. Take a calm breath or a sip of water right after the question. 2-second analysis. Ask yourself internally, what is my goal in this conversation? If the answer isn't ready yet, acknowledge it gently. That's an interesting question. Let me choose the right words. Start practicing pauses in everyday conversations with loved ones, friends, and children. Very soon, this pause will become your superpower. I believe in each of you. Your Ingenuity Workshop, from Advent's Embrace